This counter-depth French door refrigerator by GE has a fresh food capacity of 12.5 and a freezer capacity of 5.1 for a total of 17.5 cubic feet. It has a fingerprint-resistant stainless front with the signature GE logo, an external ice and water dispenser, and 3 color-matched stainless handles. Inside is bright LED lighting, a water filter, and 5 spill-proof glass shelves. The 4 split shelves are fully adjustable. One glides back to make room for taller items, and the bottom full-width shelf is stationary. Below the shelves are 2 humidity-controlled crispers and 1 full-width deli drawer. On the doors are 7 bins of various sizes. 3 are adjustable and deep enough for gallon storage, and all door bins are removable for cleaning. In the freezer is LED lighting and 2 storage bins with divider bars. To learn more about refrigerators, check us out at abt.com or visit our showroom at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.